Hello guys, in today's lecture we will going to learn about the LSA and LSDB linked state database. Before that, this is a OSPF topology. We'll understand first. Mm, This is OSPF hierarchy. Hierarchy means uh, in military there is a hierarchy, means there is a upper level, then lower level, then middle level, like that. In OSPF there is also hierarchy. Area 0 is the highest hierarchy. Means it is at upper means it has a upper worst. Then area 2, area 1, area 2, like that. Actually, it is used to make the things complex things easy. That's why hierarchy is created. Uh, so next, we will move to the LSA. LSA means link state advertisement. Here we see the topology over here, area 0, area 1, area 2, and this is external network where the outer G is connected. We speak it different type LSA, LS1, LS2, router LSA, network LSA, summary LSA, then SBR summary LSA, then external network LSA means type LSA. So here we first understand what is the area. Here is area 1, area 0, area 2. Means we divide the routers into different areas so that our complex structure will look, uh, it will not look the complex. So due to area, it is means we are separating the our network like that only. So here we are creating area 0, area 1, area 2. In area 1 we are router A, C, B, area 0 we have C, D, G, and area 2 we have E, F, and D. So here we understand that uh, router LSA1 type 1 LSA means router LSA will generate by the all the routers, means router A will also generate, router B will also generate, router C, router D. Each and every router will generate type 1 LSA. So here we understand what is LSA. Type 1 LSA, it is a router LSA, and type 1 generated by the all the router areas and flooded to all the router within the area. Means this router will generate its own LSA and it will flood to the area 1 as well as area 0, area 2 if it is connected via ABR. Similarly, type 2 LSA. Type 2 LSA is generated by DR. So DR router will create this type 2 LSA. Type 3 LSA is generated by ABR, area border router, and it will tell how to reach connect between the area 1 and area 2. Means this is area 1 and area 0. So type 3 LS will generate by this router C. So this routers will connect it to the this area 0 routers. Same router D will generate the type 3 LSA, so that area 2 will connect to area 0. Then type 4 LSA. Type 4 is generated by the ABR only. How to reach the external network means router G. How to reach the router G by external network. So that will generate by the uh, ABR. In this scenario, router C and router D is, will generate type 4 LSA, and type 5 LSA will generate by this router G, which is connected to external network. So it will tell us how to reach external network, and from coming back also we require router G. So router G, router G will tell router B how to reach external network and how to exit the external. Router C will tell the router B how to reach router G. Okay. So here our topology is this, which I already created. I will tell you the basic thing which I have done in my lab. First, we'll take the console of the all the router. It will take some time. Router 1, router 2. Router 2 is missing, so I will take console of router 2 as well. Wait a minute. Again taking console of each router. Router 1. It will take few time, a few minutes actually. It will take few seconds. Console router 2 and router 3, router 5, then router 4, then router 6. So here I already configured the OSPF between R1, R2, R2 and R3 and R5. All the things I have done here only. Since I have connected R1, R2 in area 1 via OSPF. Similarly, R2, R3, R5 connected in area 0. I have already done configuration. I will not go into configuration part. It's a simple configuration. Means I can show you. Uh, Here router config T router OSPF for network 5.5.5.0 then 0.0 to 55 area 0. This is the wildcard marks. I can show you here. Show run pipe section OSPF. Show IP interface brief. Here you can see 1.1.1.2 is connected to area 1 as per our topology. It is connected to area 1. So I have done this connection network area 1. Similarly 2.2.2.0 means it is connected to this R3. So R3 2.2.0 it's in area 0. Similarly this 55.0.0 it is connected to router 5. I have done that, and here router ID is 2.2.2.1. So it is better to understand which router it is forming the neighborship. So that's why I have created a router ID. I am mentioning here router ID. Similarly for R3 and R5. So run pipe section OSPF. So run pipe section OSPF. Okay, you can see here. Okay, and this is my loopback API. You can see here. Show IP interface brief. This is my loopback API 30.30.30. So I'm mentioning here. Okay, it's in area 0 actually. I'm advertising that this IP in area 0. Similarly for R5, uh, I need to 150 router SP 1 no it should be BGP 100 no it should be SP 1. Registration part I will show you for while creating the LSA. Okay, I will check for if I already get that BGP or not. Okay, I already get BGP. I will delete the BGP. No router BGP 100. No distributor OSPF 1 extend to 5 section OSPF. Actually, I am doing the lab before explaining this, so that's why for to create the type file LSA, I need to do redistribution. Means external network need to configure into area means into OSPF so that OSPF will generate type file LSA. As shown in this diagram, this is the diagram. It is connected to external network. So external network should get its own means it should be reachable to router B or router B should be reachable to external network. So for that purpose, I have created the redistribution. Okay, so that each and every route will be reachable via OSPF to BGP or BGP to OSPF. So that's why I already configured the BGP to test whether it's reachable or not. So I think that will be not the issue. For registration, I will take the separate class for registration. How to register the route between the OSPF and BGP and BGP and OSPF. So in this lab, we are checking only the how the different kind of LSA is getting generated. So First we go to R1. Okay, as per my diagram, R1 is connected in area 1 area 1 via area 1. Actually it is connected to R2 via area 1. So I will check. The command is to check the type 1 LSA show IP OSPF database router. This is a command to check the type 1 LSA. You can see here router ID. It is showing me the router of this R1, and it is showing the link state ID, means it's ID, and advertising route means it's a advertising router. Okay, the second here we can see actually link state ID is 2.2, advertising route 2.2.1. Okay, this is the type 1 LSA. Similarly for type 2 LSA we can go type network. Okay, here you can see uh, type 2 LSA. Actually it is generated by the 2.2.2.1, which means R2 is a DR in this scenario. So R2 is generating the type 2 LSA. Here DR router is this R2. R2 is DR. So R2 is generating the type 2 LSA. You can see advertise the router 2.2.1. Similarly, you can go here show IP OSPF database network. You can see OSPF router is 2.2.2.1. So here you can see 2.2.2.1. This is a router ID actually, and it is showing that it is generating this LSA type. It is generating the type 2 LSA. Similarly, for type 3 LSA, we need to go to area border router R2 to check whether it is generating or not. Show IP OSPF database summary, because summary is the type 3 LSA. Okay, you can see submarine network is also mentioned here. Submarine network. So it is basically showing saying that this router ID is generating the type 3 LSA. This this router ID means 2.2.2.1 means this R2 is generating type 3 LSA. Similarly, R3 is generating the type 3 LSA. So to again understand what we are doing, how to check the LS show IP OSPF database is a command. You can see uh, the router LSA. This is a type 1 LSA. Okay. Then net link state, it is a type 2 LSA. And summary, it is a type 3 LSA. Similarly, it is generating for area 1, type 1, type 2 LSA, type 3 LSA. Similarly, we can go to ABR check show IP OSPF database. We can see type 1 router LSA, type 2 LSA, and type 3 LSA. I think you understand how the LSA is generated means type 1, type 2, type 3. To generate the type 4 LSA, we first redistribute means we first connect R5 to R6 via BGP to create a type 4 and type 5 LSA. You always you should understand that type 4 and type 5 LSA will generate means it will generate together. It will not it's not like that type 4 and type 5 LSA is different. It's only different is that type 4 is LSA generated by ABR and type 5 LSA generated by ASBR, autonomous system border router. Okay. Okay, so we go here on R5. First we connect R5 via BGP to router 6. Router BGP 100. I'll distribute network. So the command is the same. Okay, router BGP neighbors. I will get one neighbor. I will go to R6, check BGP is there or not. Okay, BGP is already configured as a BGP configuration simple. You just need to mention which BGP means which AS you are using, and you need to configure the remote AS means with which AS you need to make the you need to form the neighborship. So with this neighbor 200 number means this 6.6.6.2 is my neighbor IP R6 IP. It will take time actually. Wait a minute. So, uh, hello. Uh, okay. Here, sorry for the disturbance. Actually, this router 6 gets hacked. So here's a configuration in router 6. I have done 10.10.10.0 and 11.11.11.0. These are my networks in R6, which I am advertising in BGP. Similarly, here, uh, here am I, here I am only advertising this network interface in this BGP at R5. Uh, I will show you here in R5. I am advertising only this 6.6.6.0, but at R6 I am advertising 10.10.10.1 and 10.11.11.11.1. You can see 10.10.10.1 and 11.11.11.1. I'm advertising BGP here in this R6. Okay, so get the LSA type 5 and type 6. First, we need to do redistribution in both the in R5 actually. Router OSPF 1 redistribution BGP 100 subnet. Okay, and exit. We go to BGP completely. Router BGP 100. Okay, we are registration OSPF registration OSPF 1. Then we type metric. Then we give the any number which you want or default 10. Then match. Then we type internal, external, then internal. That's it. Also we use command redistribute connect. Okay, that's it. Then we check the route where we are receiving the route or not. Always remember you need to mention metric number while redistributing. It will actually is getting slow due to this GNS3 and OBZ software which I am using for recording. Okay, here you can see that 13 dot network and 11 dot network is also showing. So we again go to here, we check again the database whether we are using L5 type 4 and type 5 LSA or not. This is a type 1 LSA, route LSA. Then there is a type 2 LSA, Matlink state LSA. This is the type 3 LSA, summary LSA, which is generated by the ABR to reach between the two different areas. Similarly, it is showing for area 1, which is it is connected to R1 router. This is the type 1 LSA for area 1. Then this is a type 2 LSA for area 1. This is a type 3 LSA for area 1. Here it is showing type 4 LSA, AS external link state LSA. Okay, this is a type 4 LSA, and this is a we can check via this command show IP OSPF database SBR summary. It will show the type 4 LSA. The type 4 LSA, which I told you. This is the type 4 LSA. This is the type 5 LSA. To check type 5 LSA, command is simple. Show IP OSPF database external. It will show type 5 LSA. Here we can see that mm, type 4 LSA, which is here, it is generated by 5.5.5.1. It is a SBR router. Okay, and for this also, uh, and it is advertised by 2.2.2.1, which is in area 1 actually. Okay, similarly for type 5 LSA, it is showing that it is generated by the what? 5.5.5.1. It is advertised by 5.5.1, which is a network 6.6.6.0. Similarly, we have three networks 10.10.10.0, 11.11.11.0, which is in R6. As you can see, 10.10.10.1 and 11.11.11. Similarly, if you go here, we can see show IP database. It is show for area 1, and this R1 area 1 database and R2 area database, it is same. There will be no difference between this R1 area 1 route database R2 R2 router area 1 database OSPF database. You can see it will show the same actually, same thing it will show. This is area 0 area 1 here from here. Okay, if you copy this and check, it will show the same thing actually. I will copy for your information. I will copy this into Notepad. This is my area 1 database. Okay. Yeah. If you see router link state area 1.1.2.2. Same link state area. It is also same. Summary link state area it will also show the same. Okay, that is the beauty of the OSPF, because it will maintain the same database for both the routers, means DR router or BDR router, all the router it will maintain the same database within the same area. Okay, here are to maintain the same database as R1 for area 1. Okay, similarly, I think you understand how to check type 4 LSA. For to check type 4 LSA, there is a command show IP OSPF database SBS only. And to check the type 5 LSA, there is a command show IP OSPF database external to check. And here are the network which are mentioning 11.11.11.0, which is here. You can also ping that by command ping 11.11.11.1. You can see ping is reachable actually. You can see ping is reachable. You can also trace route this command, trace route 11.11. You can see via which router it is passing. 5.5.2, 6.6.2. 5.5.2 you can find here, 5.5.2, okay, which is connected to router 2 R2. Then it is goes to 6.6.6.2, which is here 6.6.2. So I think now you understand how LSA generate. I am again doing the recap. Okay, uh, here R1, R2, R3, this is area 0, this is area 1, this is area 2. Type 1 LSA is a router LSA, it is generated by all the routers. Okay, I'll write down this in notepad. Router LSA, what type 1 LSA, it is generated by all the router, generated by all router. The command is show IP OSPF database router. This is a command. It is generated by all the router, means R1, R2, R3, all the router it will generate by all the routers. R1, R2, R2, R6, R5, all router will generate this. Then there is a called uh, network LSA. It is generated by, it is a type 2 LSA. It is generated by DR, DR to tell how to reach all the routers. Okay, uh, this thing I covered in the last lecture. There is a command network. Okay, then there is a called summary LSA, which is a type 3 LSA. It is generated by ABR, area border router. It is tell how to reach between area 1 and area 0. Okay, here ABR is R2, so it is generated by R2. In my scenario, it is generated by R2, and there is a command show IP OSPF database network is a command to check type 3 LSA. Then there is a type, then there is a type 4 LSA, which is called SBR summary LSA. So it is generated by what? It is generated by whom? It is generated by R2 router. Okay, because it is generated by, it is generated by ABR router to tell how to reach SBR. SBR, a autonomous system border router. Okay, in this scenario, R5 is SBR router. It is connected to external network R6. Okay, the command is simple. Show IP SBR summary. Need to check. Show IP SBR external. Show IP OSPF. Show IP OSPF database SBR summary. Okay, SBR summary is the command to check. Okay, it is a type 4 LSA. Type 4 LSA. it is generated by R2 and R3. Similarly, there is a type 5 LSA which is generated by ASBR. ASBR to tell how to reach and exit this external network. Okay, it's all external type 5 LSA. Okay, alpha. Command is show IP OSPF database. Network is the command. Network is the command. We So in this way we can generate type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5 LSA based on our topology. Here's some expression regarding the same. Type 4 generated by OSBR, type 5 generated by SBR. Okay, it is called external LSA. It is called a SBR summary LSA. So, so in this way we can check what is the type 5, type 4 LSA. I can show you. In L3 also there is a command show IP OSPF database SBR summary to check whether it is generated in R3 or not. You can see it is generated in R3 as well. You can check for type 5 LSA IP OSPF database external database external. You can see type 5 LSA. It will mention actually whether it is type 4 LSA or type 5 LSA. You can see. Similarly, I go into R5, I can type the same command, show IP OSPF database external. Here you can see these details LSH, LS type. You can see link ID. Main thing is that this link state ID and advertising router is the main thing actually. Okay, which router, which external network it's getting advertised. To check show IP OSPF database SBR summary type 4 LSA. Okay, it is not generated by the type. It is not generated by the SBR auto, so it is not showing actually. Okay, that's it. I hope you understand what is the LSA, how it's getting generated. Link state data. I need to talk about this LSA and LSDB. It is a link state database and it is a link state advertiser. Link state advertiser means it is basically the message which contain the routing and topology information, and it is generated by the router only. Okay, LSA are nothing but you can in simple language you can understand LSA is nothing but a book. LSDB is nothing but an entire book. Okay, you need to understand this. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Thank you.